Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. Glad you could make it for today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be transplanting my Monstera Deliciosa from a 6-inch pot to a 1-gallon pot. This 1-gallon pot I got from my husband for a birthday gift last year, and it also has 3 tripod kind of legs. Really happy and excited to be putting it into this. I got this Monstera Deliciosa as a cutting from one of my co-workers back when I lived in Edmonton, and it has grown out substantially. It now has 5 leaves. It had 7, but my puppy got a hold of a couple of the leaves, and a trip to the vet later, she's doing fine, and the Monstera is doing fine. We just got rid of those 2 leaves. Just to let you know, Monstera Deliciosas are poisonous, so please keep them out of reach from your pets, because you do not want to take them to the vet and have an unexpected vet bill like we did. So I'm going to be transplanting it and putting in a coconut core stake. So that is this guy here. It's 2 feet long, and it's going to help support my Monstera Deliciosa up. Now, the reason why I'm going with the coconut core is 2 reasons. One, my local Home Depot had the coconut core, and it's all ready to go pre-made. It also does not take as much moisture as a stagnant moss pole would. So that's perfect. I'm going to use this for letting my Monstera Deliciosa climb on. The soil I'm going to be using is an organic soil that I got from Canadian Tire. It is from ProMix. It's 100% organic and local to Canada. You can purchase that at any Canadian Tire here in Canada. So the first thing we want to do is take the Monstera out of the current pot. So that is this pot right here. Now to do so, I'm just going to loosen the soil up from around the root ball using a garden trowel. And underneath me, you can see that green mat. That is my green transplanting mat. I got that on Amazon. I have the link in the description below if you want to purchase that. Here we go, it's coming out quite nicely. So that soil is going to fall over the place, which is a good thing that I have my transplanting mat to help get that soil. So the roots have kind of started to make their way over to twirl around the bottom, and it's a good thing that we are transplanting. Now, Monsteras do like to be root bound a bit, so that's good that we let the wait this long. And we're going to add some soil in. So this is the bag from Canadian Tire. Let's put the Monstera on the mat below for now, and then we'll add in our soil and then the Monstera. Now we want to loosen up the soil, and then we're going to pack it down and create a well to put our Monstera in. Down to get rid of any air that might be in there, and then we can also backfill with some more soil as well. You don't want to put it right up to the top because you want the water to actually accumulate to penetrate that soil nice and deeply. You want to have a little well around. And then we're just going to take our coconut stake, we're going to unwrap it and put it in. And I'm just going to put it right behind. And then the last thing I wanted to do is take these twist ties. Now these twist ties I got from the dollar store. They're just like a rubber twist tie with a little metal piece in the inside there. So we're just going to take the Monstera and wrap it around. Might need to use 2 of these because the coconut stake is a little bit thicker than I thought it was going to be. So we'll just wrap it around like that. And then we'll also have these aerial roots. So this brown piece right here at the very top of your screen is the aerial root. So these are going to attach to the coconut stake to get moisture from as well. So I'll be spraying the coconut core stake once in a while, maybe once or twice a week, to get the moisture for the Monstera as well. And over time, the roots will then attach to the coconut core, and it will thrive and live on that. Now I am only going to do the 1 strap because that's all that's needed. Over time, as the plant gets bigger, then I can add more in. All right, it's all planted and I have my coconut core stake in. It's all secured to that stake, and the aerial roots are now going to be making their way as they grow and attach onto that coconut core stake. I'm just going to quickly give it a nice little bit of water, and then I'm going to mist the coconut core stake, and I will do that twice a week. I'm not going to mist the entire coconut core because it's not necessary. There's not aerial roots in that area up here. It's just more focused in this area here. So I'm just going to focus on this area so that the aerial roots can get some of that moisture as well. And that wraps it up for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.